How to make peat pellets. Peat pellets provide gardeners with convenience and proven seed starting results. They provide seeds with the right environment needed to sprout and the initial organic fertilizer young plants need when placed in the garden. You could buy peat pots in the store, but making them yourself will save you money and give you the self-reliance gardeners often crave. Things you will need: potting mix, unflavored gelatin, tomato paste can. Boil approximately 1 pint of water. Add 1 envelope of unflavored gelatin slowly until contents are completely dissolved. Remove gelatin mixture from heat and let it cool. After it has cooled, mix gelatin and potting mix in a bucket until the mixture begins to hold together. 1 envelope of gelatin will treat approximately 10 pounds potting mix. For best results, use a potting mix high in peat content. Set a tomato paste can with both ends removed on a hard surface and fill can halfway full of mixture. Any small cylinder with 2 open ends could be substituted for the tomato paste can. Tamp the soil with a round object, such as the top of the can. When soil is compacted, lightly press on soil to pop it out of the can. Indent soil of new peat pellets lightly with your finger and place seeds in the indented soil. Seeds can be planted in peat pellets immediately, even if peat is still wet. Tips warnings. Duct tape sharp edges of tomato paste can to avoid cuts. If you have potting mix that is low in peat content, purchase a bag of peat moss and mix it half and half with your regular potting mix.